Oh. So here's something I just found from a flea market. I paid three euros for it. I just bought it because I'm always interested in instruments, and well, it's some kind of keyboard, and I've already tried it to make sure that it's not going to burn when I plug it in, but let's see what it does. Something is stuck. It wasn't doing this before. But yeah, as far as I can figure it out, it's electromechanical organ. So it's like air-powered organ, and you would traditionally use like what's that word? Like your feet to pump air into it. But this one has this really loud fan in the bottom to drive the air in. As you can hear, that's probably not what it sounded like when it was new. But as far as I can tell, it's mostly intact. Here's some harmonics. I was actually tempted to Jesus Christ, that sound. I was actually tempted to take samples out of it and sample this for some kind of digital instrument in some kind of music making software. But it's not really in condition to do that because it's so loud even when it's doing nothing. So instead, let's take it apart, and if we accidentally actually fix it, that's even better. But as I had a look in here, it seems that there's no screws at all. It's probably glued completely shut, so it might be that we cannot actually disassemble this in a manner which would enable us to also assemble it again. Let's have a look, see what's under here. Oh, before we destroy this, let's have a look. What does this say actually? So maybe someone actually knows what this thing is. So it's Colton Industries Inc. GTR Products Division, 216 East 2nd Street, Mineola, New York State 11501. Model E3751 KD30. And then the electrical specs. And that's actually quite impressive that it's made in US, but it actually can eat the European 220, 240 at 50 Hz and 0.16 amps. and some warnings. But I guess that's the most interesting thing, is the model for anyone interested. And actually I just ripped it open only to see if there's a screw underneath, but nope, there's no screws there. So I guess I need to just hack at it somehow. It looks like it wants to open this seal. But not so easily. So yeah, that seems to be pretty hard to get into. I don't want to break my... Oh jeez, that is really molded, welded. I don't know how. Yeah, that seems to be the only way to get inside of it. I don't want to break my knife. Yeah, it's really hard. See if I have anything useful here. Why on earth is that here? Big ass screwdriver. Oh, even better. Let's see. Well, they really don't make these as they used to. Shit, that's hard. There you go. There we go. Jesus. Yep, so here's the fan. It's not actually all that loud now. Maybe it was just because it was grinding against that. Maybe there used to be what's that? A bearing here. Possibly. And I'm going to power it up now. It's probably not the safest thing to do, but I'm a trained electrician, so if I kill myself, it's all my own fault. Nope, it's still loud as fuck. Yeah. I'm wondering, how does it actually work? Let's see. The keys must open some kind of... Well, I'll let you have a closer look. So, this is the fan that blows air. Where? What does it actually do? It just moves air throughout here somehow. It's not even moving it into some sensible direction, it just creates a pressure or under pressure. Oh right, here's the small hose, and it was spinning which way? Huh. So it's probably creating taking air inside from there and creating a pressure inside this whole thing. And then what? These are, I don't know the word for it, but these are probably the things that actually create the sound. And then there must be a way for the keys to decide where the air needs to go. Let's see. Do I have proper tools for this? Let's neutralize this. Fuck, these are like probably the lousiest Leatherman copies you could ever get anywhere. They're fairly useless. So, that's the story of that. Okay, it's broken there also. There we go. Nice. Okay. So now how to get inside the keyboard. Huh. Ah, I think I got it. I suppose there's no neat way to do it, so we're going to just hack in there. Where's the tool? There we go, and I saw an opening here. Hey! That's actually somewhat removable. There we go. So, here's all the keys. It's actually surprisingly clean inside. So it operates these things, or no, actually. Let's see if we can remove one. What's this rubber thing here? Oh no, I guess that's just some kind of dampening. How about here, is there? No, the mystery still thickens. Ah, wait a minute, actually. Okay, so this just closes this gap here, or each of these closes one gap, and when you press it, it opens the gap which allows air to go through one of these pipes. So basically the pressure inside escapes through that hole and vibrates this. And how do these work? Let's see how many are. Because I think those were like one key operates probably 3 of these, and from there you get these harmonics. But yep, that's a mystery solved, and at least it wasn't any kind of too expensive equipment, because yeah, that was pretty damn destructive entry. And looking at the sides here, it was, maybe it was even molded, like there's huge pieces of plastic in the sides here. I think the only salvageable part here is this motor. And 2 screws. Good night, sweet prince. Well, maybe I have use for these 2. Nah. If I need a new main sleeve, I could buy a new one. It costs like 1 or 2 euros, and it's cleaner, and yeah, I don't need that kind of crap in my house. And yeah, that was mystery solved.